Kaya mo,
Alright.
nabayag nga hanga na kang kanta ati kay.
Tatalang.
Tatalang.
Lolong ka mag-isab-sabat dita. Kanta ni Marvinata.
Aham.
Lolong, talna ka.
Aham.
Ang talna ka, Lola. Pakulang ka. Okay. Sige na.
When I think like the world's gone mad, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears. On our own, we've been so far, in which warm at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone, some have left me alone, but I've stared off these words before, and they leave me blue. All alone in my heart I know, and there's one thing in my life that still is true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why, where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. And you brought over me, important to me, my miracle find. If I have to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it's close to you. Oh, oh.
Rayaw. Ni Ilocano. Dano ka man, Lolo Pansyong?
Tsak makakonsentrate.
Madama mga sa ambol mo tayo kilabanan kayo.
Takare. Mabisay na konferento. Orek lagkap siya.
Ano na sa mong Lolo? Tatanin ni, malpas tayo ito.
Akas day.
Or,
Skyflex ko ma.
ana?
Skyflex.
Ay, ho? Amo kaya ti Enlex?
Kaalanda niya ang turong Manila. Baka dapat COVID dyan. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why, where. No looking back. Count on you every time. you so far, but I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years go by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you.
Rayaw ni Ilocano. Okay, dito ang artyo mo ng request. Kanta nga na pauluan.
Count!